Are you ready to elevate your engineering skills? Mr. CFD Academy is here to guide you. At Mr. CFD Academy, we believe in empowering engineers and students with the hands-on skills they need to tackle real-world challenges. Our online courses cover everything from heat exchangers to hydraulic systems, giving you practical experience with ANSYS Fluent. Learn from industry professionals, work on real-world projects, and track your progress, all at your own pace. With our flexible subscription plans, you get access to expert-led courses without breaking the bank. Whether you're just starting out or looking to master advanced simulations, Mr. CFD Academy has a plan for you. Ready to transform your CFD skills? Visit mr-cfd.com and join our community today. Let's make your engineering dreams a reality with Mr. CFD Academy. Start learning now and take your first step towards CFD mastery. Mr. CFD Academy, where practical skills meet real-world applications.